In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this OPPO. First of all, go into Play Store and install your new defaults. In my case, Opera mini browser. When your apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down to access Apps section. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on it. Tap on Opera Mini in order to apply it. And lastly, click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!